Looking to escape the city, but be within 45 minutes of Edmonton, this is a perfect hobby farm or recreation property for outdoor enthusiasts. Enjoy 80 acres of privacy and a 970 square foot modern farmhouse bungalow. This bungalow offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, plus an attached 1,160 square foot workshop. It has open beams and is metal construction with blown-in insulation and is livable full-time all year round. Bright and airy, big bed windows, 3-piece bathroom. This home has it all, including an upgraded boiler system and in-suite laundry. It's bright and airy and also contains an additional bedroom with full closet space. Enjoy it on the weekends or live here permanently. There's also an 1,160 square foot workshop with an additional bathroom and a wood burning stove. There are several outbuildings, including a 28 by 36 livestock shed, a fenced pasture, and a creek running through this property. Beautiful views, and it is outside of a subdivision and zoned agriculture. Call this yours today. Karen Stanka with Remax, 780-297-3132 for your perfect hobby farm within 30 minutes of St. Albert.